Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Audition. So if you want to download Adobe Audition, come to your Google browser, and type Adobe Audition. Come to your Google browser and type Adobe Audition. After you've typed Adobe Audition, it will lead you to this page. So just scroll down until you see the icon of Adobe Audition written Adobe Audition download. So open that, and you see where it has been written download. So since we want to download it for free for the first time users, so come here and download. So after you've downloaded it, it will lead you to this other part. Just scroll down. Ensure you've confirmed the download. Ensure you confirm it's downloading. So here you will be asked where the continent where you are from. For example, I'm in Africa. If you are in United States, you will make your United States, but since I'm in Africa, I'll come here and say I'm in Africa. After that, scroll down where you will see trial, free trial, or buy. So we want to download it for free for some times, so we'll come here and say free trial. The free trial part will lead us to this part. We have the individual section, business section, and student and teachers. So ensure you've marked the one you want. For example, I want the individual, so I'll mark the individual. The free trial is for 7 days. After which you will be required to start buying and pay $22.99 per month. So you will enjoy using the free trial for this time until the time the free trial will end. Then that's when you will be requested, or you will be required to buy the packages. You can also cancel whenever you want. Meaning you can cancel the premium, you can cancel your subscription anytime. So after you've come there for free trial, come here and say continue. So it will lead you to Adobe Creative Cloud. Now here at Adobe Creative Cloud, you will be required to sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud, where you will be required to have your email address and password. That's the only thing which is required here for you to download Adobe for free for use. So just follow the procedure one by one. So you sign in the Adobe Creative Cloud. After you sign in the Adobe Creative Cloud, put your email there, continue, then put your password. Then you will have downloaded Adobe Audition. So subscribe if this is helpful. If not helpful, just comment, then I will come in and help you doing it.